Hi, this is Shandy, and for this video, I'm going to show you all the things that I bought online and to other stores as well. I decided to create a vlog because recently during the quarantine season, I don't have much anything to do, well, aside from working from home. During my spare time, it's been my hobby to just browse online about anything, especially in Shopee and Lazada. I also decided to redecorate my room, although this is not yet the final look that I would like to. Maybe in my incoming videos, I'm going to show you, or we could have a room tour once we finished this project. So for now, I'm just going to show you all the things that I hauled, and I'm going to show you where I bought them and how much I bought them. As for the first item, ito yung nakikita nyo behind me. These wallpapers, itong white na brick, and then on the other side, the black wallpaper. So I bought this at different stores. This one is from Shopee, and then this one is from 167 store. If you're from Antipolo, I'm pretty much sure that you're aware where it is. This one I bought for 99 pesos, isang wallpaper, and that is around 70 by 75 centimeters. So that's for 99 pesos. And then for this black wallpaper, I bought it at Shopee for 119. Bumili ako ng 2 peraso. Yung isang roll niya is around 10 meters long, which covered all of our walls. Kasi dalawa yung wall na pinagamitan ko ng black. Dito sa other side, ipapakita ko na lang siya once we have a room tour. So that's gonna be on my incoming videos. So aside from that, one of the work from home essentials din na nabili ko online are these wireless keyboard and the mouse. This wireless keyboard and mouse is battery operated, so you just have to put 2 AAA batteries for the keyboard, and then for the mouse, we also have battery for that. Nandito yung lagayan ng battery niya. Sa loob din, dun mo makikita yung receiver, which looks like this. And you just have to insert this in your laptop para gumana. What I really like about this keyboard is that meron na siyang kasamang silicone cover na protection from the dust. And then, from the same seller as well, dun ko nabili yung ginagamit ko na Ringlight right now. Maliit lang siya actually, and it's suitable for mobile. Enough naman na siya para magamit ko for this vlog. And ginagamit ko rin siya when I shoot for flat lays for my Instagram stories and photography stuff. It's 16 centimeters LED ring light. I bought it at Shopee during the flash sale for 295 pesos. All in all, including the shipping fee, I paid for 315. Although this seller doesn't have a COD option, but if you're gonna use the Shopee Pay, there's actually a lot of voucher which will save you a lot of money. As for the next item, this is the Mousepad that I bought from Shopee for 89 pesos. So for the next item that I bought is the Himalayan salt lamp. It has a lot of benefits, and aside from that, aesthetically pleasing din siya, especially when the light is turned on, kasi sobrang ganda ng vibe na binibigay niya sa room na to. Marami siyang health benefits, and maganda siya na you place it around your electronics kasi meron siyang anti-radiation at nababalance niya yung mga negative ions na ini-emit ng electronics. For the other one, nakatabi ng Himalayan salt lamp ko, you can see this cute vase or pot. It's actually made of plastic, and I bought it at 167 as well. So this one for 89 pesos. Next item is this dazzled bottle or tumbler, which I also bought at 167. This is 129 pesos and it's really cute. It has a lot of glitters and I really enjoyed drinking my water here. I mentioned a lot of items I bought at 167, and 167 is actually in Antipolo. It looks like a Divisoria kasi lahat ng mga makikita mo sa Divisoria meron din doon. And their markup is not that high. Hindi ganun kalaki yung patong. And compared to other online shops, syempre mas cheaper sa 167 and it's a physical store. So makikita mo agad, mamimit agad yung expectation mo kasi kita mo yung product and you can test it. And since we've mentioned about 167, another thing that I bought there is this cute coaster. I don't know what this thing called like. Mukha siyang coaster eh. Tapos, it's made of wood or bamboo. Ginagamit ko siya for Himalayan salt lamp kasi nagmo-moist yung lamp. And dalawa siya actually. Ginagamit ko yung isa for my plant para hindi dirty. So, this thing I bought for 20 pesos and 2 pieces na siya. So, another one na nabili ko sa 167 is yung rose gold wall clock. It is 195 pesos, which is super cheap, and as you can see, it looks really aesthetic. So going back to Shopee, nabili ko tong pegboard na nakikita nyo sa background ko for 156 pesos, isang brick or isang square. And yung isang square is actually medyo malaki lang siya dito sa isang dangkal. I already assembled it kasi sobrang excited ko nung dumating siya. All in all, 6 yung binili ko to look like this and kasya naman lahat ng gusto kong ilagay dito and sobrang tibay din niya. This is actually not yet done. Still in the process of organizing it. So in the room tour, again, I'm going to show you the final look. And in Shopee as well, meron ako nabili na LED light strip na sobrang mura. This is 5 meters long. Nakover niya na yung buong table and behind the monitors that you're seeing here. Remote controlled siya and RGB yung colors. Meron siyang iba't ibang variation pa ng RGB na pwede nyong palitan. So next off, you'll see the hanging guitars here. We bought a guitar mount. Naka-mount lang siya dun sa wall. It really looks nice. Ang linis niyang tignan and saves you a lot of space, lalo na kung maliit lang yung room nyo. And then one of my best buys and my favorite of all is this fluffy carpet. What I really like about this carpet is that it's super fluffy and thick. It has a great quality and it's not cheap looking. This one just came in today and it's called Seagrass basket, which I bought from Lazada. You can use it as a pretty pot holder, and then you can also fold it, which can turn into a storage. You can put some of your essentials, or you can use this as a holder of anything you would like. So basically that's all. So I've shared all the items that I bought online during the quarantine season. Actually meron pang mga paparating and we are going to create a vlog for that. And that's it. So I hope you guys are all safe and stay healthy.